Hello, today we're going to be demonstrating how to use the PT-100 flexible temperature probe on a Systec Autoclave. The flexible temperature probe is used to verify the sterility of liquids in a reference vessel of water by confirming that the media is truly achieving the pre-programmed sterilization temperature. The reference vessel being used should be representative of the largest volume of liquid in the load. Place the reference vessel in the center of the load, then remove the temperature probe from the ceiling of the autoclave. Pull it so it's fully extended to prevent it from recoiling, and place it inside of the reference vessel so that the end is touching the bottom of the container. Once the door of the autoclave is closed, you're ready to run a cycle. First, make sure you have selected a liquid cycle. And then press start. Another purpose of the flexible temperature probe is to verify safe cooling temperature. After the sterilization phase of the cycle, the user will only be able to access the load once the temperature probe reads 80 degrees Celsius.